Hello everybody, welcome to Break Remake. I'm your host Joan. Today I'm going to show you how to do this. A wax canvas bag. We made this bag last week in this episode. If you are interested, check it out. If you wax your bags, it makes them more water resistant and durable. We're going to see which is better using a heat gun or a hair dryer. Pew, pew. I've got my beeswax and my carnauba wax melting here. I've got my bag. I've got my surface I don't mind getting dirty. We're gonna go ahead and wax the bag in a second. I'm using this little hot plate to melt the wax, but you could use a double boiler. Whatever you use for the wax becomes the wax equipment. Wax tends to smoke when it gets hot, so you can't really clean it off enough to reuse it for anything else. I'm just gonna brush this on, even as possible, and then we'll heat it up. I'm gonna see which one of these sets the wax into the bag the best. Let's try the hairdryer first. The hairdryer worked really well. I was super skeptical. I was like, no, surely the hairdryer is not gonna get hot enough. It totally did. Now let's try the heat gun and see if that works as well. I'm a little bit nervous for the heat gun. It's hotter than this. I'll set it on low first and hope for the best. Me and fire, man, we have a little bit of an issue. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more eco-friendly DIYs. We'll see you next time. Bye. Okay, let's go. We can go.